पणजे आणि मडगांव ह्यो पोर्तुगीज तेंपावेल्यो म्युनिसिपालिटीची इलेक्शनां तेन्नाय सरकाराक कितली म्हत्वाची आशिल्ली आनी मूळ गोंयकार थळाव्यांचे सत्ते विशीं तेन्नाय कितले जागरूक आशिल्ले हें दाखोवपी हो प्रसंग। 21 सप्टेंबर 1890 मडगांवांत जाल्ले म्युनिसिपालिटी इलेक्शनांत निकाल उपराटो करतात म्हूण मडगांवकारांनी गोंयकारांनी पुर्तुगेजा आड आवाज काडलो आनी त्या निशेधाक लागून तांकां जुलमी पुर्तुगेज राजवटीच्या हातान हातात्म्य पत्करचेय पडले। हो प्रसंग मडगांवचे पयले म्युनिसिपालिटीचे इलेक्शनाचो संदर्भ मॅसेकर इन मडगांव ह्या पुस्तकांत मेळटा आनी होली स्पिरिटा कडचे एडवोकेट आल्वारेस कोएल्होचे घर त्या अत्याचाराची आजूय गवाय दिता।
This is the maroon colored one is the house of Alvares, and this is of Mr. Coelho, who at that time was in a senior lawyer over here. So all the people, they were chased over here. So they came and stood over here. And when things started going bad, they called the military. And when they called the military over here, they ordered them to shoot. And in that shooting, 23 people died. Now on this particular day, on 1890, 23 people died because they raised their voice against the rigging. But what happened on that day? And that also is part of each one's heritage, saving of heritage. The gentleman, Mr. Alvares, from that particular house, he realized that 3 bullets had hit his house. So he put brass rings with the date 21st September 1890 on those things. 2 of them are outside. One is between those windows, one is near his door, and one is inside. And he put the date, which kept the memory of that day, the hoary day of that day, for the years to come.
Prudent खातीर सावयो डायस।